Tired of that annoying "this video is currently unavailable" message ruining your Amazon Prime Video binge? Let's fix it. First, the most basic but crucial step: check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or have sufficient mobile data. Weak or intermittent connection is a prime suspect for playback errors. Try running a speed test on your phone or computer. Amazon recommends at least 3 megabits per second for SD content and 5 Mbps for HD. Next, force close and reopen the Amazon Prime Video app. This restarts the app and can resolve temporary glitches on most phones. You can do this by swiping up from the bottom of the screen and swiping away the Prime Video app. If the problem persists, check for app updates. Outdated apps are often riddled with bugs. Head to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Search for Amazon Prime Video and tap Update if available. Now, if you're watching on a computer, make sure your browser is up to date. An outdated browser can cause compatibility issues. Also, clear your browser's cache and cookies. These stored files can sometimes interfere with video playback. Find these options in your browser settings, usually under Privacy or History. Finally, as a last resort, try restarting your device, whether it's your phone, tablet, smart TV, or streaming stick, and check if that resolves the issue. Sometimes a simple restart is all it takes to clear things up. That wraps up this troubleshooting guide. Let us know in the comments which of these fixes did the trick.